Hello, Sarah. Thank you for coming in today to discuss your symptoms of paleness, fatigue, and shortness of breath. In relation to your lab results that I would like to review with you, my concern is that you would be suffering from something called iron deficiency anemia. What that means is due to your elongated or enhanced cycles of menstrual bleeding that you are in fact losing too much iron over a period of time without your body having time to replenish it. Based on your lab results, your ferritin level along with your hemoglobin level are the things that we look at in relation to your active iron, or the iron that makes the hemoglobin more successful when it's kind of carrying the oxygen to all of your cells and everything. That level is low, and also in relation to that, your ferritin level is also low. Your ferritin level speaks to the iron storage, or the storing of the iron that you would have in the blood to also enhance or improve hemoglobin status. Due to the fact that both of those are low and your hemoglobin being about 9.5, my concern is we need to address the problem of why the bleeding has enhanced or increased over the last little bit. My concern is if we don't get that under control, we are also not going to be able to control your iron and your anemia. So there's a couple of different avenues that I would like to explore with you. One being that we correct the iron and the issue with the anemia at hand. So that would be through, in my preference in this scenario, I would tell you that I would think that IV iron or an infusion of iron would help you get a boost a little bit quicker. In combination to that, also an oral option of iron replenishment or iron supplementation is also an option. So coming to an agreement and understanding, is it more important for you to get kind of a resolution in symptoms a little bit quicker and then maintain at that point, or due to the fatigue and the shortness of breath? Or is it that over time we can, over the next couple of weeks, by taking an oral supplement, is that something that you would be open to as well? In addition, the oral supplement is something called ferrous sulfate. It is normally prescribed 325 milligrams or 1 tablet every day. If you were to add into your diet also citrus in some sort of form, either orange juice, pineapple juice, anything like that, that actually helps in the absorption of the iron, and it will increase your levels pretty significantly. The other thing is my expertise in a family care or a primary care setting isn't specific to women's health. Your issues, speaking from a woman, are something that I think that a specialist or somebody like an OBGYN or a urogynecologist would be something that I would like to get an appointment set up for you, so that they could also examine a pelvic ultrasound to be able to see if there's any other issues that may be causing this increase in bleeding. There is also a medication that if we choose to start you on, would be to help with the bleeding. If it's going to take too long to get you in with your OBGYN or something like that, I would definitely suggest a Lystata, which is something to help the flow or decrease the amount that you're bleeding every month. Ideally, that would be something that would be managed by your OBGYN in coordination and continuity of care.